Woo, woo, woo. Welcome to Oregon. We are going to a property we've never seen before in person. I'm excited. It's raining. Let's hope we can find it. I've got it nabbed in here. Should be easy. There's still snow on the ground here. I think that's a sign we came back too soon. Yeah, I think this is it. Like here, the driveway I think goes in here back to the property. Yeah, we better get out and look. I see snow, Pistol. We better get you bundled up. All right, let's go. Here we go. Pistol, this is our place.
Let's go to Oregon in April, we said.
It'll be fun, we said. Oh boy. Okay, girl. Look at this place. It's so cool. Trees.
How private is this?
So private. Yeah. I like it.
The other lot.
Yeah, so there's another lot here that's for sale still, so and I'm not sure where the line is, somewhere there. Oh, probably where this flag is over here. Yeah, and back here. I think the septic is back here. Yeah.
Lots of deer poop.
Yeah. This is ours, baby. What are we gonna do with it?
We'll just look at it.
Look at it.
Let's find a place to park the van.
Get it. Oh. You like zoomies? Well, this will be fun. Fun. That's gonna be fun.
I love it.
We're not gonna get to it this summer. This summer we have other plans, which we're working out details for, but we'll share that with you as soon as we have something more definite. So last time we chatted with you, we were still in California. We were maybe gonna meet up with Tyler, our oldest, out of LA. He was gonna drive up, but our schedules, it just wasn't gonna work out. So we spent a couple days just driving and we ended up in Oregon. So here we are. We visited some friends last night in Klamath Falls, and we are just gonna be driving through Bend, and then we'll be on the coast in just a day or two. So
Snow and rain.
snow and rain. Hey, it's different. It's a change of pace for us. Huh, what do you think about it, girl? Snow and rain?
I don't like snow and rain.
Oh, it's fun for zoomies. Snow
Yeah.
is fun for zoomies.
I don't mind, running in the rain, little hikes in the rain, but, it's not very fun to take like a 4-hour hike or a 4-hour bike ride in the rain.
No.
It definitely changes, when you start to live a lifestyle for 2.5 years where you can actually spend morning till night outside.
Yeah.
I've become someone who wants to be outside, 8-10 hours a day at least, and that changes here.
Yeah.
You have to be in and out.
We'll be in a different mode. Cool. All right. We'll probably catch you guys on the coast.
I'll be doing some surf fishing.
Yes.
I want to get a GoPro chest strap.
We need a GoPro chest strap so we can really see what's going on there with this fishing.
Because she never seems to film me catching fish, so I got to prove that I do catch fish.
Yeah, this is true. Oh, you got a double on there?
Sure you did.
Yeah, you good bugs, huh? You're a good bug. Yeah.
Was that fun?
Oh, you know what? She is filthy.
You
You
dirty,
little piggy.
filthy
Okay.
piggy. I'm gonna call you piggy.
All right, I'll have to get her cleaned up. All right, see you guys in a few. Back on the Oregon coast. That was a crazy drive over the pass.
Yeah.
Crazy rain. We actually got here a few days ago. We've just been doing some visiting. We're headed down to the ocean today to do some fishing.
I went the other day without you guys, just by myself.
And without me too, yeah.
And I caught quite a few surf perch. It was a lot of fun, but the conditions were pretty good. So today the surf's a little bit. We'll see. I haven't got down there, but it's supposed to be a little bigger today. So if the surf's too big, it's just too dangerous. So
Yeah.
even for an old coastie like me.
This is a nice day today. Well, you'll see.
Yeah.
We'll take you down.
Last couple days, I went for a run yesterday. It was 47 degrees and raining. It was so much fun.
We've just become fair weather people.
Well, my 2-year memory on Facebook showed me after a hot run in the desert taking an outdoor shower, and I thought, a warm 75-degree run. But I guess the thing about it is if you always have that, you don't appreciate it, you know.
True, yeah.
I will definitely appreciate 75 degrees after this April in Oregon.
Yes.
But it's nice to see all the friends and family, though. That's been the plus.
Yeah.
I may complain a little bit about the weather, but it's good to see everyone.
It is.
It
It
is
really
really
is.
good to see everyone.
Yep. All right, let's head down to the beach.
She's like,
She
no.
might stay behind. I don't know. Do you feel like going, girl?
I think it's going to be too cold on her feet.
Yes. All right, she's gonna stay behind for
We
this.
got some nicer days coming up, so we can take her to the beach and let her romp
Yeah. Okay.
when it's warmer out.
Sounds good. Let's get down there.
Secret trail.
Super secret trail. Whoa. There's the Pacific. Yaquina Head Lighthouse, Newport, Oregon. This is very rough and very high.
I'm here, though.
What is it?
It's a red-tailed perch. That's a small one.
Nice.
Okay.
First cast.
Fish on. Good one. Come on.
Oh, a two! You got a two! You got a twofer! Nice! That was crazy down there. We got caught in a rainstorm. I got a little cold. You did not, though.
I was sweating.
And we only kept two, but you caught about 8, I think, and you had that double.
Yeah.
Double's always exciting.
It was a pretty heavy surf conditions for fishing.
Yeah.
It's not something I'd recommend if you don't know what you're doing. It's pretty dangerous if you get out there. And
I wouldn't have been down there by myself.
unless you're an old
right.
coastie or a surfer. wait for calmer conditions.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure yet how we're going to prepare those, but we'll find out. Yeah, what's coming up ahead? We have some exciting things. We're still working out details, so stay tuned for some rather big announcement.
Boy, if this all happens, it's going to be crazy.
It's a little teaser. So, yeah, I don't know. We're just bumming around this area. Gonna be traveling, visiting some other people, and
A lot of visiting, not a lot of filming. But this weekend, it looks like there may be some really low tides, and if that happens, I'm gonna go razor clamming.
yeah. Yeah.
We'll go razor. We all will go razor clamming.
Let's all go razor
I love
clamming.
razor clams. Oh my gosh.
They are delicious,
Yeah.
for sure.
So
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing that. I don't know. We're just chilling.
taking a cue from Pistol, and we're just chilling.
Yep. All right, we'll catch you guys down the road. Stay
There-
tuned.
Did I miss my cue?
I switched it up on him. All right, see you on down the road.
Carry on.
Carry on.